Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI, and today I have a special treat. I'm going to be showing off my Dyson DC50. This vacuum cleaner is top of the line when it comes to vacuum cleaners. I love this machine. A couple of features that I love about it is, first of all, the most important one, which is suction. This thing gets everything out of the carpet. Now let me go ahead and demonstrate. Another thing I love about this machine is how easy it is to maneuver. Dyson is really well known for its mobility. As you can see, it will turn on a dime and get into areas that are hard to reach. And another feature that I really love is how easy it is to dispose of the trash. So right here, if you'll notice, there's a little red button that you press down and the machine pops up. So if you press it again, this bottom piece will open up and all the dust will be coming out into the dust area that you want. I'll show you in a bit. This button right here actually allows you to bring down or bring up and adjust to whatever need you might have. And there you have it. That's my point of view.